Hello. Hi, students. Am I audible to all? Can I get a hi from everyone who are present? There's this live chat option. You can use that option. Hello. Hi, students. Those who are present, can I get a hi from them? So you can use this live chat option. To type. Yeah, there is class today. We're going to discuss about the first chapter in science for seventh standard. Am I audible to you all? Please type your names. So, Rahul. Apart from Rahul, anyone present? Please type your names in the live chat option. Pranati, is that you? No, there is class today. I'll teach all from the first chapter of science, okay? Okay, who's present apart from Pranati? It is 4 to 6 o'clock, Pranati. 4 to 5, you will have science, and probably there might be maths from 5 to 6. I'm not sure about maths. Okay, apart from Pranati, is there anyone present in the session now? If anyone apart from Pranati is present, please type your names in the right chat so that we can start the class. We'll wait for another 10 minutes for other students to join and we'll proceed. Yeah, this is Rahul. I was the one who was teaching your science all these days. I'm in sixth standard. Are you there in sixth standard group or seventh standard group? This class is for seventh standard, not for sixth standard. Can I know who all are present? Can you just send a hi? If not hi, just type your name. Can you just type your name and standard in the group which you belong to? If you are in seventh, I'll add you to sixth group. Okay. The sixth standard science class will begin at 5 o'clock. Can I know who all are present in the class today? Hi, Pritam. Hi, uh, good evening. We'll wait for another 5 minutes and we'll begin the class. Hope everyone are from 7th standard because this is for 7th. Is everybody from 7th standard? Tarunima and Pritam. Is everybody present? Can we start with the class? Okay. Pritam is present. And Tarunima? Okay. 5 more minutes, students. 4:20 will be starting the class. It is 4:15 now. Okay. And no problem if you all don't have textbooks. I'll send you all a PDF of whatever is displayed on your screen in the group. You all can download and have it with you all. It will be useful for you to study. Hari Om. So 4 more minutes will be starting the class. We'll just wait for other students. Okay. Till then, I'll just write down the headings. Okay. Yeah, Pritam. 3 more minutes will start the class. Okay. First chapter, that is nutrition in plants. Okay. And those who are attending class, please do subscribe this channel. Okay. You will have a notification during every class and every video we upload, and everything will be related to education, whatever we upload in this channel. Okay. Pranati, please don't disturb the class. You don't belong to the standard. So next star will be your science class. Okay. 6th standard science class. So students, those who are attending, please have a rough note with y'all with a pen and with a pencil and a eraser. Okay. Students from 7th standard attend this class. Students from 6th standard, please exit the session. You will be getting the next class link that will be at 5 o'clock for 6th standard. And students from 7th standard, please have a rough note and a pencil and an eraser with y'all. Okay. So one more minute, we'll be beginning the class. I'll give you 2 minutes to settle. You can carry a rough note with a pencil and a eraser. As I told you earlier, to have a book for like 200 pages book for science to note down what is taught daily. I'll give you 2 minutes time, students. You can take that 2 minutes to settle down with a book and a pencil and an eraser and start the class after that. Give me a message like thumbs up once you're done, once you're ready to attend the class. Can we start the class? Okay. Okay. We'll start the class now. So the first chapter for 7th standard is nutrition plants. So in the previous class, you all would have studied what nutrients are. Okay. What are nutrients, students? Just write down in your rough note what is nutrients. Okay. I'll give you all 10 seconds time. Just write down, and I'll write the correct answer here. If it matches with your book, it's okay. If it doesn't match, just erase and rewrite it. Okay. Okay, students, write down what is nutrients. According to you, what is nutrients? So don't write carbohydrates, proteins, and all that. What is nutrients? How nutrients are useful for living organisms? Just write down. Or write it in a pencil, Preetham. If you write it wrong, you can erase and you can rewrite it. So that's why I asked everyone to prefer a pencil. If you scribble with a pen, it will be untidy, like somewhat dirty to read or something. Okay. So I'll tell you what is nutrients. Nutrients are components of food. Okay. Components of food is known as nutrients. It's okay, student. Even if you have written it wrongly, just erase and rewrite it. Okay. Mistakes is where you learn from. Okay, students, write down. If you have written right something similar to this, it's okay. Just erase and rewrite. Nutrients are nothing but components of food. Okay. So what are those components? What are those components? Okay. Components are nothing but carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Okay. These are the components of food. Okay. What are they useful for? In how are they useful to living organisms? Okay. I'll tell you all how are they useful to living organisms. Okay. See, the answer is they help them in growing and keeping their body healthy. Okay, students, am I clear so far? So I thought I'll just give a small introduction on what nutrients are. Nutrients are nothing but components of food. Components of food are known as nutrients. And what are those? What are those components? Those components are nothing but carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Okay. And how are they useful to living organisms? They help them in growing and keeping their body healthy. So this is what the duty of a nutrition is to a living organism. Okay, students, am I clear so far? Can we proceed with the next topic? Take down, students. I'll wait for you. I'll give you 15 seconds of time. You all can take this down. I think this part is covering, my image is covering this part. How are they useful to living organisms? I'll dictate, just take down. They help them in growing and keeping their body healthy. Okay. Okay, students, can we go to the next topic? Give me a thumbs up. I'll go to the next topic. If you all have any doubts, you all can raise a doubt. You all want me to re-explain? I'll re-explain. Okay, I'll re-explain the topic. So we're talking about nutritions. Okay, what are nutrients? So the simplified word of nutrition is nutrient. Okay, nutrients are nothing but components of food. Okay, what are those components? Those components are carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, minerals, fats. Okay, these are the components of food. Whatever food we consume, these all components are present in those. Okay, and how are they useful to living organisms? They help them in growing and keeping their body healthy. So these all components, whatever present in food, they help the living organisms to grow and keep their body healthy. Okay. So here are a few examples for carbohydrates. So they are like peanuts and fries. And here for protein it is meat. And for fat it is oil. And for vitamins it is fruits. And usually minerals are present everywhere. Okay. In whatever food we eat or whatever, like the water we drink, everything. Am I clear so far, students? Can I go to the next topic, or you'll want me to re-explain again any of the part? If you didn't understand, just let me know. I'll re-explain. Okay. I can take this down. Can I go to the next topic? So I get a thumbs up from here. I'll go to the next topic. Okay. So, okay. The first thing we discussed about nutrition so far, what is nutrition and everything that was previously studied. So we just recalled everything what was taught to us in the previous standard or something. So now the first part of the chapter, that is mode of nutrition. Okay, mode of nutrition in plants. As we are discussing about plants, so we'll be dealing with the plant bodies. Okay, mode of nutrition in plants. So how is nutrition? How plants like they nourish themselves? Okay, nourishment is also like nutrition. Like it is another word. Okay, so plants are the only living organisms who can prepare food on their own. Okay, they're not dependent on any animals or any of the bodies for food. Okay, plants prepare their own food. As we humans and animals are dependent on food from plants and animals. Okay, okay. So the nutrition enables bodybuilding factors in living organisms. Bodybuilding factors, as I earlier told you earlier, okay, regarding how we grow and everything. Bodybuilding factors in living organisms. Am I clear so far, students? Did you all understand? You'll want me to explain any of the part again? Take this down. I'll wait for you all for 10 seconds. If you all understood so far, please give a thumbs up. I'll go to the next topic. Okay, I'll explain once again. So we're discussing about mode of nutrition. Okay, mode of nutrition. So how is nutrition extracted? Okay, that is what mode of nutrition is. But before getting into that, I'll give you a simple introduction to mode of nutrition in plants. That is, plants are the living organisms who can prepare their food on their own. Okay, they're not dependent on any plants, like they're not dependent on any living organisms for food. They prepare their own food. And humans and animals are the living organisms who are dependent on food for plants and animals. Okay, there are like we usually consume fruits, vegetables, meat, and everything. So we are dependent on other living organisms for food. Okay, so basically that is not from plants. Plants prepare their own food. Okay, And nutrition enables bodybuilding factors in living organism. Okay, it means the nutrition develops our body. Like you can see, age by age, you keep growing. Your skin tone changes, and everything. Your body physics changes. Okay, that is how nutrition works in our body. That is what this part is. Nutrition enables bodybuilding factors in living organisms. Okay, am I clear so far? Or you'll want me to re-explain? Okay, did you all understand? Can we continue? Or you'll want me to re-explain? Please mention in the comments. Okay. So what is nutrition? I'll tell you. I told you already what is nutrition. So how is nutrition consumed by all living organisms? Okay. It is a mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization. You can take down with me, students. Utilization by the body. Okay. So, how is the mode of nutrition getting into the living organisms? So, that is what we'll discuss about now. So, it is a mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. Okay. The food is being prepared by an organism and the nutrition extracts are being utilized from the food to the body. Okay. Am I clear, students? Did you all understand or you all want me to re-explain? Mode of nutrition. As I told you earlier, nutrition enables bodybuilding factors in living organisms. So, the food that is taken by an organism, it extracts all the nutrition and it supplies to our body. Okay, that is what this point means. Okay, have you all understood so far? Can we move on to the next topic? Or anybody wants me to re-explain? Okay, okay. Can we go to the next topic? Last point after it. So what is the word? It is body. Utilization by the body. Okay, I'll write it clearly for you all again. Utilization by the body. Okay. So this is how our daily sessions will go on, students. Okay. Am I clear so far? You all want me to re-explain any of the part, or can we go to the next topic? Please give me a thumbs up. We'll go to the next topic. Okay. Okay. So next topic is that is autotrophs and heterotrophs. Okay. Do you all have any idea about what is autotrophs and heterotrophs? Okay. I'll teach you all. Okay. To put it in general, okay. Wait. I'll write it down here. Auto means self. Okay. Trophs means nourishment. Okay. Autotrophs. Okay. You can define something with keeping this only. Okay. Self nourishment. Self nourishment is called autotrophs. Okay. So what is that self nourishment? So living organisms. We discussed about this earlier. Living organisms who prepare their own food, prepare their own food are autotrophs. Okay. So where do we get nourishment from? We get nourishment from food. Okay. So autotrophs who self nourishment, self who like they prepare their own food and they extract nourishment from the food by their own. So those are autotrophs like plants. So basically, plants are autotrophs. They are not dependent on food for any living organisms. Okay. Well, can take this down, students. I'll just wait. Okay. This is just for explanation basis, okay? If asked as a question, what is autotrophs and everything, we'll create in the personalized notes and send it to you all. This is just for you all to understand. I'm making it easier for you all to understand. Okay, you all can take this down. Okay, can we go to heterotrophs? Are you all done? Okay, I'll tell you what is heterotrophs. Hetero means others. Okay, trophs means nourishment. So nourishment from others is known as heterotrophs. As you can see here, animal like where do we get nourishment from? Nourishment we get it from food. Okay, so basically this cow, an animal who's dependent on plants for food. So this is dependent on plants for even nourishment also. Okay, it is getting nutrients from plants from the food which it consumes. Plant is its food, and in plants, nutrients are present. So that is what is supporting the cow to grow healthily with all the nourishment. Okay, so yes, living organisms that are dependent on food are heterotrophs. Okay, okay, students. I see how far you guys have understood. Okay, just write a few examples of heterotrophs. Okay. I'll give you all some time, like 15 seconds to write down. Just write down a few examples of heterotrophs. and an example of autotroph. If you all are done, please give a thumbs up in the live chat session. We'll go to the next topic. I'll write down the correct answers here. Y'all can see that and y'all can correct whether whatever you wrote is right or wrong. If it's wrong, not a problem. Just erase and rewrite it. Are we done, students? Okay. So example of autotrophs are plants and trees. Okay. Example of heterotrophs are humans and animals. Okay. I think most of them would have got it right. If it's wrong, not a problem. Just erase and rewrite it. Okay. Okay, students. Can we go to the next topic? Can I get a reply from who all have attended the class? Okay. Are you all done? Okay, students. So that's all for today. So we had a 30-minute session. Okay. 30-minute session today. So who all like the class? Can I get a thumbs up from who all like the class? So I just want to know who all are interested in joining the class. Please drop a message in the group. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll have 45 minutes of session and 5 minutes for Q&A. Okay, that is question and answers. What is thought for the day? So we'll ask easy questions for you all to answer. Okay, how good you all have understood to all those. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, this will be our pattern. Okay, 15 minutes of class will be given, 45 minutes of session that will be taught to you all about the topics, and 5 minutes for the question and answers. Okay. Okay. Those who all are interested, please drop a message in the group that you all like the class and you will be joining the class. So this will be our daily pattern. We'll pick up your topics, we'll talk about it, and then later we'll give you all notes. Okay, once the lesson is done. Now we are in chapter 1, nutrition and plants. Okay. So this is by the end of this week, Friday or something, I will provide you all personalized notes. So what was taught for the week till then, we'll give you all shortened answers and everything. Okay, it will be easy for you all to learn. So there is nothing big difference what they teach in school and here. It is the same what topics they discuss in school. The same topics will be taught to you all here. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you. Thanks everybody. We'll meet in the next class. Okay. Please drop a message in the group. Those who all are interested to join. Okay. And please don't forget to share this with your friends. The link will be active in the channel. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you. Bye, everybody. We'll meet again tomorrow, same time. And one more thing before leaving, are you comfortable attending classes from 4 to 5? Can I just know if there is any changes if you all want me to make for the timings? We'll follow from the next week. It is not possible this week, but from next week we can make some changes. Are everybody comfortable attending the classes in this timings 4 to 5 for science? If yes, please let me know. We'll fix those timings. Okay. So no one has a problem with the timings. Okay, because even tomorrow the same with the same time the session will be provided. Okay. There's a small reason behind why we are conducting at this time because after 6, most of them will feel drowsy. So that is why we picked this time. Okay, this is the time where most of the students will be active. Okay, yeah, okay, students. Then bye. We'll meet tomorrow with new topics on the same session. Okay, if you like my class, please share it with your friends. Ask them to watch this video, and if they are willing to join, you can ask them to. You can provide their number to me. I'll add them in the group. Okay. Okay. Bye, everybody.